Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set ringtone in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icon. Click on the setting icon. Then you have to see here many options. Scroll down and click on the sound and vibration option. You have to see here many options. Choose the sim number first on which you want to set ringtone. So click on that. Now you have to choose any ringtone from here which you want to set in your mobile phone. Firstly, play ringtone. You have to choose any ringtone from here. I have to choose that one. Click on that. Now click on the back option. In this way ringtone is set on your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.